welcome back to Bloom. Looking for an instant lift that can provide beautiful results for your face? PDO Threads is a treatment that can provide immediate and long-lasting results. Joining us to talk about PDO Threads is the doctor with the artistic skill to get you beautiful results, Dr. Hermann of Hermann Wellness. Welcome, Dr. Hermann.
Carissa,
Thank you for joining us. This is a really cool procedure, but before we talk about it, you've been serving patients in the Tampa Bay area for over 2 decades. Why are they so loyal to you?
I think because I do develop a rapport with my patients, and I'm looking to find out what it is that they are looking for. I'm pretty conservative in my approach. I mean, we can always start baby steps and then, you know, sometimes build from there, but I think that's why.
I think that would make me feel comfortable too, because it's sort of something that can be scary for people. They don't want to look.
Right.
So we've all seen the bad pictures,
and I understand
you help us have the good before and after pictures. So I've never heard of PDO Threads before, but we talked a little bit about it. This is exciting. Tell everyone about it.
So these are dissolvable sutures that have texture to them. They might call them barbed, but I feel like that's a weird word, right? I mean, it's really, they're just textured or feathered. And so then what happens is I will insert them with a thin needle, sort of in this direction, or sometimes with the upper face this direction. And when I pull the needle part out, the thread itself sort of lifts the area. So it'll, you know, pull back. So it's a way of contouring, pulling back loose skin. You can also do them under the jaw, non-surgically. The sutures themselves dissolve in 4 to 6 months, but you sort of heal in that position, and your tissue remodels in that position. So the effect lasts a year to 18 months.
Wow. So what we're seeing right here, this is actually what you're doing. You're putting those in, and you, like you're saying, you just lift them, and that lifts your face, and it stays that way?
Yeah.
And it's an instant?
It's instant.
And you're not cutting me, and you're not, you know, going under anesthesia. You're not having healing time where you can't go out in the house. This is an instant sort of lift for that jaw area that is a big problem for some people.
It's huge. I mean, there's so many things you can do to add volume, and but sometimes that's not the issue. The issue is just lifting.
Wow.
You know,
okay. What if I am a little bit nervous about this procedure? I want it, but I'm a little bit nervous. Is there anything you can do to sort of help that?
Yeah, so there's a few things. So first of all, for comfort, we do have nitrous oxide, which is laughing gas, which makes people relaxed.
Good.
And also helps with the comfort. But so a full PDO thread procedure might be multiple threads, you know, in different areas, but sometimes just to get started, see if you like it, we might do 1 on each side.
Okay.
You know, just see if you like it, go home,
and you're probably going to like it.
More.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, it's better to do that than get something you don't like.
And you mentioned the results. How long do the results last?
So they last a year to 18 months.
Wow, that's a long time for a cosmetic procedure that's non-surgical, like we said. Yes. Who would be a good candidate for PDO? I know we're seeing somebody on the camera right now.
So here we're lifting the lower jaw. You know, I believe this patient probably had something to do, somewhere to go, you know, so it's someone who's just looking for a lift and, you know, not wanting to have an invasive procedure. So anyone who's starting to feel that things are going south and just wants to pull back with minimally invasive.
Wow, this is just a cool treatment. When you do it on someone and you make that sort of pull back, what is their reaction?
Oh, I mean, people love threads because, you know, how many times can you walk in one way, walk out another? Yeah. As simple as
without any sort of
immediate gratification.
Yeah, well, that's a great procedure.
So it's really fun for that.
Yeah, if you guys